Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error precisely that you may get when you try to install a wine application. You get this error, cannot import DLL, ISSKINU.DLL. So if you get this error, the fix is very easy. First of all, you need to install winetricks if you've not already installed it. So you just search on your GUI on your store, winetricks. Okay, I have it here. I've already installed it. If you've not installed it already, you can install it. Then what you have to do is open the terminal, search for winetricks, wait. Now that it's open, you click select the default wine prefix. You click install a Windows DLL or component. Then you select MFC42. Okay, you just literally click on it. You click on MFC42. Then you select VCRun 6 SP6. Then you click OK. And of course, to me it doesn't do anything because I already did it, because I had that error. But for you it will say, oh, you have a 64-bit wine prefix. You just click OK. It will install these components and it will work. If it doesn't work, just say it in the comments. I'll try to help you. But trust me, it will work. It works, it worked for me, it will work for you. So that was it for today's video. See you in the next one.